so this is your boy here, Timmy D, 523 HGTV. And so what we did here, my friends, they had a top-notch, top-of-the-line, top-of-the-board computer they made. They made this from scratch. Okay, first of all, this is a computer. I've seen at least one of these before. So this is
minimum
the second of this kind in my life that I've encountered. I like it.
Talk about the power
I
supply.
can't deal with you back then. I run one of these on each one of my computers, so we're talking like 32. I mean, I'm not good at math, so like if you do 32 with the heat sink, you're looking at, and this is a mod, so you gotta do like not everyone's good at this one. This is not like a beginner thing, so if you, I would recommend you find somebody that knows what they're doing, and then you get some black. Alright. Basically, you get somebody that, and they know what they're doing.
Do you have to rewire it?
They would have to rewire it, yes.